Good morning. Good morning. Today I want to just briefly mention a novel I'm working on called Eve, a semiotic novel. I use the word semiotic and semiosis, and these are buzzwords to the billions and billions and billions of people who would not be able to begin to define what is semiosis. Well, my point is, in the chapter that I'm doing this video related to, is semiotic theories are for the birds. Now that is a kind of an emotional yell or scream or something like that. But in a certain sense, unless semiotics is understood to be an acknowledgement of the triadic nature of reality, of the fact that reality involves us, it involves everything that we can see and know about, it involves everything, and we see everything as signs. And the reason we see them as signs is the same way we look at all signs that are, quote, real, unquote, like stop, go, etc., etc. We see all signs from different perspectives. Every one of us does not see the same thing. Communication among us is massively difficult, and semiotics should facilitate communication. Unfortunately, the academic state of semiotics today is like the academic state of everything. It's all divided up into disciplines, and then you get your PhD, and then you move along, and then you become opaque. You become hard to understand. You become vague to the 6 billion or so of us out here who need to understand that the world is not binary. It's not me and you. It's not us and them. It's not one side or the other. It is all sides. And it involves ethics and aesthetics. These are two elements of a triad beginning reality, ethics, aesthetics. I'll explain all of that. I do explain all of that in various videos. All I want to say today is that semiotic theory is for the birds. Cheers.